So hi everybody, it's Mahmood and Serena from Proactive Resolutions, your accounting solutions. Okay, so as the music says, let's get started. Let's not be like Scampy that just can't get himself together today. Okay, so when we're talking about getting started, first of all we're going to talk about preparation across to the main man.
Thank you, the main woman. So when we talk about getting started, we're talking and focusing on cloud accounting. We talked about the benefits, we've extolled the virtues. Now we're going to roll our sleeves up and get it. First stage is preparation. So it's about choosing the date you want to do it, end of the year or the VAT quarter. So think about getting all your balances updated and ready. It's about the apps you want to integrate, the things you want to report on.
Okay.
Number two.
Migration.
We're not talking Brexit here, we're talking about migrating from old to new. So, think about the date you're going to do it, make sure your staff are aware, make sure you've got the adequate training and support. Human and IT elements can help with that migration onto a new platform.
After.
Once it's all done, once the dust has settled, relatively speaking, it's about getting to use it. If you're relatively new to the cloud, what we recommend to do with our clients, they focus perhaps on just getting the invoices out to clients. You'll learn it incrementally. Make sure you've got that training dimension sorted out, make sure you're familiar and keep on it. It will become much smoother and your life will be made much richer as a result.
Okay guys, so if you want to look on the website, we've wrote a blog about using Xero and migrating to the cloud. Until then, have a great week. Bye from Mahmood and Serena.
Bye from me, bye from Serena.
Let's get it started. Let's get it started.